All right, so here we have a sample that we're collecting with our flow-through respirometry, and this is with a mouse that I put inside of this sealed, or it's not sealed, it's actually open metabolic chamber. And again, the air is being pulled in through this left-hand side. If I were actually collecting data on this, what I would do is I would actually have this animal acclimated a lot longer to this chamber so that it had settled down and calmed down a little bit. Right now it's still pretty new to this environment, so it's moving quite a bit. What we'd be really interested in measuring, and the data that I'm going to collect for you here in a little bit, is of the resting metabolic rate of the animal. So looking at this animal kind of as it's acclimated and rested to this. So remember previously with our other scenario where we had that the values at 20.94. Let's pan over here real quickly, and we could see that the oxygen percentage in this air sample now is 19.5, 0.4. It kind of fluctuates a little bit. And if we pan over to the screen, you can see this value 19.443440. What I'll do for you is collect a series of data samples using acclimated mice to these chambers during a set period of time, and what we'll do is we'll compare the values that we're getting from these to empty chambers and be able to calculate the percentage of oxygen that these organisms are using during a timed trial. And that is our flow-through respirometry chamber. It's important, one of the things that I'll do right before or right after this individual is done, we need to obtain the body mass of this animal. And the logic behind that is that metabolic rate is mass specific, so we need to figure out exactly the mass of this animal so that we could put that into the equation as well.